Hello, class, and welcome to our very first lecture series on financial accounting or principles of accounting, right? And I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. So a very brief introduction of mine is that I'm a PhD scholar. Uh, I hope that this semester I'm going to be a full PhD doctor. So wish me good luck.
Good
Plus,
luck.
I'm CFA, a chartered financial analyst from US, and also I have MBA finance degree. And this is my, I think, sixth year with CIP and my third time teaching accounting online. So I have learned, how to deliver the online stuff and how to satisfy students, ongoing queries as well. So this is the third time online, so I would be very experienced. I know how to handle it and know how to deliver as well. You also already now familiar with this online stuff. Okay, so the preferred book that we are going to follow would be The Financial Accounting by Harrison and
Green.
Holmgren and Thorne.
Green?
Yes.
Green.
So I would be, you don't need to purchase that. I have the book. I will be sending you the chapters. Okay, so you don't need to worry about purchasing the books. Here we go. The exam policy. So I have designed this course. I'm going to be putting 10% for the attendance. And I hope you already know that there is a 70-30% rule, right? If your attendance is not, if your attendance is below 70%, you are not allowed to sit in final exam. So this is the policy that I cannot do anything. This is the rules I need to follow as well. Okay. If something, you are, having some problem, you are having sickness, a connection issue, instead of sending me the message, please inform to the office first, okay, so that we make follow a hierarchical official channel, right? So remember, we are having 16 classes. For 16 classes, 30% is about like 5 classes. So you're only allowed to skip 5 classes. More than 5 classes, automatically consider that you are done, unless you have a permission from the office, because the rule is, inculcated by the office, not from my side. And regarding this 10%, and also I need to clear this ambiguity. So only those who attend the class would be given this 10% marks. For example, you take a leave, don't expect that I would be giving you this 10%. Leave only will satisfy you from that 70% rule. For example, you have a leave and you told me that, okay, I'm not going to be attending your 7 classes, but you have permission from the office, right? So in order to maintain the equity, in order to, be just for every student, I would allow you to enter into final exam, but this 10% marks, don't expect from me that I would be giving you, because that would be unfair from those students who are attending the class on time and you are just leaving it because you have permission from the office. Okay, so this 10%, 100% I will be giving you just for attending the class, right? And then assignments. And what I included in these assignments, some quizzes. I would be giving you a Word file. I will be sending you in a group. I will give you have just 7 minutes to answer this, and then you send it back to me. That's it. Similarly, we would be doing some in-class activities, some questions. I will be making breakout rooms as a group assignments as well. So that would be also included. But remember, the major portion, for example, I didn't decide it yet. 25% will be coming from assignments and 5% from all these, right? So that would be very minimum percentage, but main majority would be coming from the individual assignments, okay? And then midterm 30%, final 30%. So how many marks you need to pass?
60.
If you attend the classes, you will get 10. If you submit the assignments, of course, if you attend all the classes, you can't be missing this quiz, you can't be missing question and answers, and also you will be behaving very nice in the class. So we'll talk about what I consider appropriate behavior. We'll talk about it in the next slide. So how much is in your hand? 40%. So don't underestimate this assignment stuff. This is exactly equal to your midterm and final, evaluation, right? So if you submit your assignments on time, right, and attempt all the questions, it's not like that I gave you 7 questions and you attempt 2 questions and expect that I would be, my job is done because I submit the assignment on time. No, this is not going to happen. Okay, give your best shot, right? So only you need to work for 20%. So do you think you can get 20% out of 60%?
Yes.
Very easily, very easily. That is, I believe in you guys. You can do that, right? Even if you have no interest in accounting, even then you can do that. All you need to do, give your 20% out of 60%. That's it. In order to pass, if you want to have good marks, of course, you need to work more and set your goals, how many marks you need to achieve in accounting course. Okay, so 40% is in your hand. Okay, any question regarding this exam policy?
Nope.
No.
Good. Okay, the behavior number first is class disruption. If you have a pet who is not feeling comfortable with my voice and is barking, you should mute your microphone. Okay, using cell phone, you are already on an online class and you are using cell phone. I don't consider it as appropriate. Plus the others were not, of course, not considered as an appropriate thing. If you are having, there are some ethics for that. If you're having urgent call, the best thing you can do, you can you can just turn off your camera, mute your volume, and then attend the call whatsoever, right? So be more ethical. So some of you, if you guys already in your last semesters, so and also after this one, you will be going into the workplace and doing some stuff. If you do that in your official meeting, believe me, in most of the cases, 80% the boss will fire you. So if I, as a teacher, want to tell you this kind of basic ethics, and it will be very harmful for you. I know you are very hardworking people coming from all over the world into Shanghai and gaining experiences, plus different kind of diverse culture experiences as well. So most of the multinational companies, they do value the ethics, okay? And also disrespecting either teacher or fellow students. Some of you guys have a very good accent in English. Some of you guys, they don't, right? So we are coming from different culture, respect each other, okay? And also use of foul language. So there is a reason I use the word foul. Don't use F word. I know you are, you have warm blood. You watch Hollywood movies and series. And seasons. You love, to speak that word, but please, that is not appropriate in official settings. Okay? Take care of this, especially this F word. Okay? Okay, regarding the course contents, here we go. I think I need to share screen again with you. Here we go. Here we go. So this is the course content. It's already uploaded on BB as well. I would be also uploading it on our WeChat group as well. Same, the assessment 10% attendance, assignment 30%, including the quizzes, whatsoever I explained already, the misconduct, the question answer session, 30% mid, 30% final. So here we go. These are the course contents. So our midterm is going to be pretty late. we would be taking midterm approximately in our 9th, 10th class, right? Because accounting is a very dry subject for many of the students. For some others, it's very interesting. But most of the students who are not good in numbers, for them it's very dry. So till the, I think, 6th lecture, I would be building your foundation. And believe me, if you just listen to me patiently and wisely till the 6th class, I can guarantee you that the next 10 class is going to be very fun for you guys. Right? So, as you know, in our previous subjects we have, done together, I'm very open to any kind of question, whether this is a stupid question or whether it's a very good question. Question is question, right? I would encourage you to, ask question as much as you can. Okay? So it would be good for you and good for me as well, right? So that I can know that how many efforts I am putting in and you are getting that one. So it would also motivate me as well to give you my 100%, right?
Yeah.
Any question?
No.
Nope.
Okay, so you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start from our chapter 1. So if there is a need to write something, I think in our coming slides, so I would be turning off my camera and taking out this screen because I have Surface Book. So it would be more easy for me to handle, the pad